Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the Raptor paper airplane. I'm going to start off by folding this in half. And then bring the corners down to the center. Flip it over, then we're going to fold this down. Don't let the flaps on the back, don't let them flip out or it won't work. Okay, flip it back over, and we're going to fold this tip down to the bottom of the sheet. Like this. Flip it back over, fold the two corners down. This. Flip it back over, then we're going to fold this tip up as far as you can without straining the pockets back there. Okay, and we're going to fold it on this crease right here. Sharpen the nose. You might want to crease the fold again to make it a better crease. Okay, now from the nose back, you're going to want to go about a quarter way back from the nose to start your wing fold. And you want to fold it at an angle like this. And do the same for the other side. Okay, now you're going to want to raise your wings up to have dihedral about here. And you want to sharpen these folds right here because they tend to. Okay, now you're going to give the wings curve by doing this. Do this a few times. It'll should end up looking like this. Now it's time for a test flight. Okay. When you throw it, you want to really flick your wrist so you get the most lift out of it. Okay. That flew across the entire room. This room is about 30 feet long. So the Raptor flies about up to 35 feet. That's pretty good for a paper airplane. And that is it. That is how to make the Raptor paper airplane. Thank you for watching.